Nutrition is one of the most important factors in reaching your fitness and wellness goals. Even with the best training program, without proper fuel, your body won't perform, recover, or adapt at its best. The NF1 app makes nutrition simple, personalized, and easy to track, so you can stay consistent and see results. From the dashboard, you'll see your recommended daily calories, along with your protein, carbs, fat, and saturated fat targets. You'll also see your hydration goal for the day. Throughout the day, you can log your meals and water intake to stay on track and hit your targets. To dive deeper, press on the Nutrition section of the dashboard or use the Nutrition icon in the main navigation. At the top of the Nutrition screen, you'll see a gear icon. This gives you the ability to adjust your nutrition cycle as well as your activity level. These inputs, combined with your biological makeup, like height, weight, age, and birth sex, feed into an advanced algorithm that calculates the best daily nutrition recommendations for you. And anytime you make a change, your recommendations update instantly in real time. To log hydration, simply press the plus icon next to the water bottle and add the ounces you've consumed. To use the AI meal planner, tap the button and give the AI a moment to review your current data. It will then create a complete meal plan tailored to your personal goals. Based on your macros, the app will recommend a meal for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and even a snack. If you'd like a different option, just swipe to the side for an alternative recommendation. You can tap on the ingredients to see exactly what you'll need for each meal. Once you've eaten it, logging the meal is simple. Just confirm it and adjust the portions or ingredients as needed. This makes it flexible for real-world eating while keeping you aligned with your nutrition plan. If you ate something that wasn't part of the plan, or prefer to log meals on your own, just press the Log Food button. You can choose from breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, or even pre- and post-workout meals. On the next screen, you'll see what you've logged for that meal so far, and you can add new foods by pressing the plus button. When logging food, you can type it in or simply speak to the app. Be as specific as possible with brand names and portions, and the app will use AI to log it with the proper calories, protein, carbs, and fats. Every meal, snack, or drink you log is stored, tracked, and quantified, giving you a clear view of your daily progress. And since everything updates automatically, you can easily check how you're doing anytime right from the dashboard. The NF1 app makes nutrition smarter so you can focus on consistency and results.